Google Nano Banana is totally free. No complicated layers, no clunky editing tools, no endless tutorials. One app, one feature, and your photo transforms in seconds. But here's the crazy part. You don't even need any software. The edits happen right inside your phone, faster than you can blink. Today, I'm showing you how to use Google's Nano Banana tool. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove objects from photos without a trace, change entire lighting conditions with a single sentence, and even drop something completely random, like a banana on your kitchen table, just for fun. Stick with me, because once you see how simple this is, you might never open Photoshop or Canva again. But before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get into it. To get started, go to aistudio.google.com, select Try Nano Banana. This is the first thing you will see. Generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. So let's try the default prompt. And here's the result. It looks super realistic. This is something that will take you 30 minutes to 1 hour to manipulate on Photoshop. Let's try something else, using this banana generated by the AI. Let's try something like, remove the costume on the head only. To insert an image from your device, tap on the plus icon. Then select your file location. And in less than a minute, we got this amazing result. Now here's where Nano Banana completely changes the game. Instead of dealing with brushes or selection tools, all you do is tell it what you want. For example, type, remove the person in the background. This is incredible. Let's try this for last the time. Put table in the middle of the kitchen. At this point, I'm speechless. You can see, it placed the table at the right position despite the fact I didn't give it detailed prompt. That's it. No sliders, no magic wand tool. Just words. And Nano Banana instantly understands. If you love it, hit save. If not, just undo, retype your idea, and try again. It's basically trial and error, but without the frustration. You don't waste hours, because every attempt takes just a few seconds. Here's something most people don't know. Every Nano Banana edit carries a hidden, invisible watermark. You can't see it, but it's there. It's Google's way of marking AI-generated content, so people know it was made with this tool. That way, your edits look natural, but they're also responsibly labeled. And that's it. No complicated software, no steep learning curve. Just pure creativity in your pocket. AI hasn't just replaced Photoshop, it's made photo editing fun again. So, what's the first thing you'd edit with Nano Banana? Drop your ideas in the comments, because I might test some of your craziest suggestions in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still struggling in Photoshop. I'll see you in the next one.